Cross-section view of single-stage vertical centrifugal pump. Dismantling the pump. Remove the distant piece fitted between the pump and motor coupling after removing both motor and pump side coupling bolts and discs. Remove cooling connections to mechanical seal. Remove casing top cover bolts. Once casing cover bolts are removed, pump assembly is free to remove from place along with shaft, bearing housing, bearing, mechanical seal, impeller and impeller shaft with sleeve. On removing the pump assembly, slacken impeller lock nut and remove the impeller from the shaft. Remove shaft key. Care should be taken for not losing the shaft key. Remove distance ring. Slacken the holding screw and remove mechanical seal's rotating part. Slacken bearing housing bolts fitted on casing cover. Remove casing cover from the shaft. Remove shaft sleeve from shaft. Remove bearing housing cover. Remove bearing retaining circlip. Remove bearing housing along with bearing.